What's going on, guys? I am out here flipping this little spot that we haven't flipped before, and my goal today, it's one of three: gray rat, smooth air snake, or a red belly. And we're already off to a good start. It's not one of my goals, but it is in fact a beautiful decayed brown, like the one I found in my house that one day. I gotta get some photos of this guy. These guys are so cool. Harmless little snakes. Now you guys let me know, are decayed brown considered a fossorial snake? Because I really don't know. I've kind of always just kind of thrown them in the same category as like a garter snake, but you guys let me know. I'm gonna get some pictures of this guy and let him go and see if we can find our goal. Alright guys, so I let him go right in this little area. Oh, there he is. Here, come here, I want to put you back on your rocky side. Come here. You're adorable. I know, you're big and bad. There you go. There's your little rocks. There's your little rocks. Too cool. Alright, let's get back to flipping. Well, right here, it looks like we have a skink of some sort. He's just way too far away for me to get. He's huge. Well, it's a broadhead or a 6-line, but he is massive. Absolutely huge. It's ridiculous. Okay, so we do have a black rat that I've been staring at this tree for forever. Finally saw him right there. Maybe you can make him out or not, but yep, that's him. Just chilling. Where'd he go? There he is. And I can't get to him. That sucks. I got this little fence lizard dude doing push-ups at me. It's a male. I don't know why you think I'm a threat, dude. I ain't gonna hurt you. I ain't gonna hurt you. You go and do your thing. Give me 30. Give me 30. You got it. You got it. That is super cool. Who are you trying to fend off? Huh? The snake? Is that like a warning sign for the snake that's down there? Look at you. Okay, so the snake has moved to right there. And it's looking like it's trying to stand on right there. Might be able to get him. So, we're gonna give this a shot. I would bring you guys along with me, but yeah, I'm not trying to die. Ow, I get it, you're biting me, I know. I know. I got him. I got him. He's not happy. He's not happy. He's bit me like a few times, but still, I know. Chill. It's okay. Ow! Get bit by these guys enough times. It's okay. Now this little bitty black rat. I don't even know if you guys can see me. But yeah. Cool. Cool little dude. Just out there basking on the tree. This might be that same one that Lucas found the other day. What are you looking at my hand? Are you looking at my hand? You want to strike my hand? Please don't. Super cool looking dude. Super cool. I hope this footage is actually turning out okay. Or if this camera's even on. Let me get the camera. Like the camera? You don't like the camera. Look at you. You are a beaut. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna let this go. I have my death-defying stunt for the day. Hopefully I won't slip down this while I'm trying to let him go. Hang on, dude. Would you chill out? I'm putting you back on your tree. I'm putting you back on your tree. That's not your tree. That's not your tree. This was your tree. You want this to be your tree? Okay, that's cool. I can get some cool pictures of you that way. I'm just gonna be a dick and go back down to your den. Don't fall, bro. Like you're gonna fall. I lucked out with that one. Definitely lucked out with that one. Where are you going, dude? Just see where he goes. Are you just gonna go up in there? Not gonna do any cool little cliff climbing? That's fair. Thanks, buddy, for the chance to look at you. Alright, guys, well, I just got a call from Lucas, and he's at a different spot, so I'm gonna go meet him there, and Jason's there with him. So apparently it's a good spot for turtles, and he's hoping snapping turtles to be out. That'd be really cool. Haven't got those on the vlog yet, or this time around. This year, I should say. And yeah, hopefully some snakes will be out there too, so I'm gonna meet them out there. And yeah. All right, Lucas got a net. Apparently he got a really big tadpole too. That's not showing up. And just in case anyone wanted to know, apparently Jason has to poop.
Hey, what?
You're welcome. Didn't you say you had to poop?
No.
Well, now they think you do. Lucas is making an attempt.
Huh?
You might as well just blindly do it. He's already heard you coming.
Damn it.
Well, if you guys are wondering how to not catch something in a net, pay attention. Take notes.
Reach.
Lucas is stuck. Oh, now he's unstuck.
Okay.
There's a little touch and go there for a minute, but we're good. We're good. Look, it's got himself a frog.
Looks like a green. Now get his scream.
I'll get him back up here. Oh, I don't need pictures of a green frog yet. He's still looking for another frog.
Oh, whoop, got it. No, damn it.
See, Lucas, this is why you listen to me. This is why you listen to me. Well, we had a frog. If you guys are brand new, don't forget to subscribe. You know the drill. Nifty finding that little snake in the tree and the decays. You didn't get any of our goals today, but still, good day out herping. Better than a day at work, which, if you guys stay to the end of the video, I'll go ahead and tell you, I got a job at the Knoxville Zoo doing photography for guest services. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna jump off here, head home. I need food in my belly. Anything you want to say, Jason?
10 likes and
10 likes, and we'll do a snake bite video just for you.
We already did one.
In IHD.
So what do you do after a day of herping?
Tacos.
Tacos. I'm gonna try these. We got them from a taco truck. So, let's see what these bad boys are like.
Episode 1 of Jordan Reviews. Tacos coming soon.
Yeah, those are good. That's good tacos. That's really good tacos.